In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do image correction in Excel. If you've ever dropped a logo or a screenshot into a worksheet and noticed it looks a bit dull, too dark, or slightly blurry, Excel has quick tools that can make it look sharper and more balanced without leaving your spreadsheet. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get reliable, professional-looking results in seconds. Start by clicking the image you want to improve. When an image is selected, you'll see sizing handles appear around it, and Excel will switch to show picture-specific options on the ribbon. This confirms you're working with the picture itself, not a cell or chart behind it. If you're dealing with several images, make sure the one you intend to edit is the only one highlighted so your changes apply exactly where you want them. With the picture selected, look for the Corrections command. You'll find it on the Picture Format tab, typically in the Adjust group. Clicking Corrections opens a gallery of presets that are designed to fix common issues fast. Think of this as a safe visual menu. No complicated sliders, just clear options you can preview and apply with one click. Now choose an effect that improves your image. The gallery usually shows a grid of thumbnails, arranged by sharpness and by brightness and contrast. Hovering over a thumbnail previews the change directly on your picture, which is a great way to compare options before you commit. If your image looks washed out, try a preset that increases contrast to bring back definition. If it's too dark, look for a lighter option. For a slightly fuzzy screenshot or logo, pick a gentle sharpening preset to bring text and edges into focus. Aim for subtlety. Small adjustments often look the most natural and preserve detail. When you find a preset that looks right, click it to apply. If the result isn't what you hoped for, press Undo and try a neighboring preset that's a touch lighter, darker, softer, or sharper. A practical approach is to preview several nearby options, then settle on the least dramatic one that solves the problem. That way your image stays clear without harsh halos or crushed shadows. That's it. Click the image, open Corrections, and choose the effect that makes it look its best. With these quick tweaks, your visuals will read clearly on screen or on printouts, and your workbook will look more polished and easier to understand.